In today's digital age, personalization is key. Gemini AI remembers your past chats to tailor its responses just for you. Why is this important? Enabling memory allows Gemini to enhance your experience based on your preferences. Imagine asking for recommendations tailored just for you. That's the power of memory. Let's explore how to enable this feature easily. It's a simple process. First, open your Gemini AI settings. Look for the Chat Memory option. Toggle the Enable Memory switch to On. You're now set for personalized experiences. Now that memory is enabled, watch your conversations transform. Receive tailored news, recommendations, and solutions like never before. Feel the difference in your interactions, making every response feel like it's just for you. With every chat, your experience gets better, evolving with your needs. Stay engaged, and let Gemini AI be your trusted companion. Embrace the future of AI with personalized responses every time.